Good morning, everybody. Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. It's a back to work day on day 19 of our 30-day mature skin makeup challenge. I have had the last few days off because, of course, it's a long weekend, but today it's back to work. So I was in the mood for something quick and easy to do my eyes, and as I told you in the last video, I went shopping at Sephora and I bought a bunch of goodies to demonstrate for us this week. So I'm going to start off with these. These are Nudestix. Now, I've never tried these before, but they look like crayons that you can just color on your eyes and do a real fast look and be out the door. So that sounded cool to me. So there's 3 crayons in this little container here. One is called Nudity, Burnish, and Smoke. So let me unbox it for you. And by the way, if you're enjoying this series and you want to be a part of my beauty community that we're growing, we're new, but we're growing, don't forget to subscribe and like this video too. So as I pull it out of the box, we've got a nice little metal container that they're in. Oh, there we go. You can see. And then I have to open the container, which is always, you guys know if you've been watching it all. And if you have, thank you so much for coming back again. Me and packaging are just not friends, especially in the morning. Okay, I had to shimmy it off a bit, but I got it. Oh, look, and there's a mirror in there. That's brilliant. Okay, like that. And there's a little bit of information in here. Thanks so much for buying Nudestix. We hope you love it as much as we do. It's got a lot of stuff in here. I'm not going to read it all, but nice little insert saying welcome. And then there's this, which I'm not sure what that is. An empty, maybe lid. And then there's one. This color would be the Burnish, I believe. Or maybe it's, no, it might, well, I'll have a look and we'll see. And then this one would be Nudity, which looks very pretty. And then this one would be Smoke. So 3 great, very nude shades that I'm hoping that I can just color on and we can be out the door with a really beautiful nude look on our eyes early in the morning. So we're going to give that a go. I don't think there's anything else I really need to read to you on the box. So let's get to it. Okay, so very interesting beginning to the morning. I was opening up the plastic off the 3 colors to swatch them for you, and I couldn't get one off. And in the course of trying to get it off, I really smushed and broke the tip of it, which is sad and unfortunate, because now I have a big lump of it that is not going to be able to be used. But anyway, such is life. I figured out what this thing is, I believe this is a sharpener. Yes, see? So at least I can sharpen it, but I'm going to use what I can from this is the lightest color too. This is Burnish, and I'm going to show it, or not, Nudity, sorry. And I'm going to show it to you now. These things happen early in the morning when our body is still waking up. So there it is. Oh, can you see it? There's the lightest color. It's very light, very pretty. So I'm going to, I think, start with the middle shade and maybe use this one on the upper lid. So let's try that. The middle shade is this color. And then the darker shade. Okay, so here we go. So this is the middle shade. This is Burnish, which is quite a pretty copper color. And then this is Smoke. So I think I'm going to start with Burnish on the inner corner, inner 2/3 of my eye. So we're going to start with that. So I have my handy magnifying mirror here, and you should know these are very, very soft. So it's not going to take much pressure put them on. And I didn't use any primer today because I want to see if they actually do last on their own without a primer. So there it is on one lid. It goes on very easy. And it wasn't, I want to let you know, it wasn't the fault of the packaging that I smushed the crayon. It was me being butterfingers early in the morning. So there's the first one. Went on very easy, very quickly, so that's great. Let's see the second one. I'm going to use the darker shade on the outer 1/3. And again, with my hooded eyes, I'm going to bring this up a little bit. And I will be blending these at the end, so don't worry if the application isn't perfect at this moment, because I will blend it all out. But they go on very, very easy, as you can see, very quickly. Try and get it at least even before I go into blend. And then I'm going to take the poor color that I smooshed, but I'm going to try and use the little knob that fell off because I feel bad. I don't want to waste it. And I'm going to just use it above here. Okay, I've got the 3 colors on. I'm going to try blending them out. Have my blending brush here. And then, as always, I will correct these outer corners with my concealer. Make sure that everything is going up, up and in, not out and down, because that makes your eyes look droopier than they already are. Or at least mine. Mine are droopy. I don't know about yours. So there we go. Went on fast and easy, which is exactly what I was hoping for with these sticks. The real test for these will be to see how long they last, what their longevity is like. They are very, very soft. And if I find that they don't last today, I may try them again with a primer in another video, just to make sure that, you know, I give them a true test. But they're not coming off my hand, even when I rub. So I'm hopeful that they'll set down and stay in place. So I'm going to go away and finish my look, and I will come back and show you what I'm going to look for going to work today. So here we go then. This is my look for back to work today, and I'll show you how the eyes turned out. There's the eyeshadow. And once I blend it into place, I think it's really going to stick. I could not get it off my hand. So that's probably a good indication. So I'm going off to work today. We will do a noon hour test. I will check in with you then, and we'll see how it's going for these nude sticks. Here's the box again. I've put the nude sticks in my makeup bag because they're going with me to work. But so far they're working really well. But like I said, we'll see if they have staying power throughout the day. And I just want to ask you, if you're enjoying this video and the content on my channel, please like and subscribe. We're growing our community. I think I said that in the beginning, and I'm so grateful to those of you who have joined me and subscribed already, and I'm hoping for many more friends to join us. So here I am in the office. It's lunchtime, and I'm going to check in now, see what you think. I see a little bit of creasing. So maybe they will need a primer, but it's definitely sticking in place. So, and I do like them. It's definitely a one look only though, or maybe just a swipe of one single crayon. So I will list all the products that I have on my face today in the description box with some links. And also, if you want to have a say in what I'm trying on coming up, please leave a comment. And I have all the brands listed in the description box. If there's a brand you don't see or a product from a brand that's not listed, please feel free to go ahead and request it. I'd love to have your input on what we're doing here. So here's my Bonnie. She joins me at the end to say goodbye. She's going to be without Mummy again for a while because I'm off to work again, as I said before. So we're going to say goodbye to you now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, people. Bonnie. Say bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Okay. Bye-bye now.